Man, there ain't shit in here. Alright, so welcome to another episode of the Burrito Guys. I'm Angel, Zio, and today we're gonna pick out a spot that he found somewhere in LA, La Habra.
Wait, did you just say we're gonna pick out a spot that I found?
Wait. Okay, correction. We're going to a spot he found.
Cut.
Let's do over.
I have so many taco trucks, I don't know which one to go to. That's alright, which one you want?
Rojitos? What else do you know about this spot?
Besides that, they have one of the best al pastor tacos. That's all I got.
Yeah, your spot better be bomb, bro. A chunti hole in the wall. Look at right here. Look in the mirror. Look in the mirror right here. Look at your reflection.
I don't see. Yeah, I can see your reflection. Chunti truck. Goodness gracious. About to be slack truck. Yeah, look at the line. Let's do it. Let's go eat some of those. Eat some of my tacos. Acá 2 burritos de asada y 4 tacos de pastor.
Alright guys, so we're here on location at Leo's Taco Truck. We're gonna try the carne asada burrito.
Yeah, that's pretty good. So what's in it? So got rice, beans, has already onions in it, cilantro. That's it. No salsa. Nothing fancy. Moving it up. Has a lot of rice. I'm not a big fan of the rice, but the flavor's there. It's not salty. You taste the crispiness of the onions. You can't really taste the meat yet. You can taste the beans. The beans are actually pretty good. You want to try it out?
You sacrificed your burrito for us, opening it up. Now I don't have to.
I'm waiting for your review, but I'm already starting to finish mine.
There you go.
What do you think?
So the first thing you taste on is all the rice and beans.
Yeah, but you know you find the meat later on.
Not too bad. Good. Salsa.
I'm watching you, bro.
I think this will bring it home. How do you? Yeah.
We're at
66 again?
no, it was 63 right now. It's 65, so it's starting. How does it feel with that?
No better. That adds more flavor with the sauce.
So let me try out this burrito real quick. Well, what's in it? What does it taste like? Salty?
It tastes like this watered down guacamole, and it's actually really good. With the, the flavor of the guacamole and the actual burrito is pretty bomb. Like, it brings more flavor to it.
Alright guys, so as you can tell, we got al pastor tacos. They're known for the al pastor tacos here, but in our tradition, we had to try the asada. And it's actually really good.
I'm trying. Listen here. Oh, the pineapple, huh?
I put the level all over.
Even better. Check it out.
salsa has a good kick to it. Alright. Oh man. Leo's taco trucks. Get some light up in here. Alright guys, so that was totally different. Different from our usual sit down, right?
It was.
As you can tell, people are.
It's busy.
Yeah, it's pretty packed. Some cars just left.
Parking is horrible here, but if you can get a spot, cool.
Definitely.
Yeah.
So we did order the asada burrito, but they're known here for their tacos del pastor. Oh, the light went off. And we did order some tacos, but mainly we're here for the burrito asada. We ordered 2, 1 for each, since we were hungry today.
Oh yeah.
So what your takes?
You know what? Like you said, it wasn't what we expected. It is a different spot because we're not sitting down. We're actually standing up the whole time eating it. It is, a taco stand, taco truck. And, I mean, the food, it was good. It wasn't like, oh my God, it's like, oh. But, I mean, it was good. I mean, I don't know, it was good.
Yeah, the burrito asada was good. The only, I guess, negative feedback, which we try not to do, give any negative feedback, was that it had too much rice. And the rice really wasn't that full in flavor, so it kind of took away from the meat and the beans.
Yeah, because the actual meat was actually good, but like you said, everything else, the rice, I think it was too much.
Yeah.
Yeah,
so the meat was actually pretty good. It was cooked on a stove top or a flat top. Not bad. It wasn't, so it didn't have any of that charbroil taste to it, any burnt flavor, but it was actually pretty flavorful. It wasn't dry. It wasn't over seasoned. And then it already came with cilantro and cebolla, which I'm cool with it. But like I said, I'm not a big rice guy in my burritos. Overall, it was good. It was good. It was great. Next time if you guys come, if we come, we would get a burrito with no rice, just to be able to eat the meat.
And we did throw in a little al pastor in this episode because we had to. I mean, they're known for their al pastor.
True.
So I mean, that was delicious.
Pineapples. That's my first. I never had.
Yeah, me either. I never even knew that was even
a thing.
A thing, yeah.
It was a burrito. It was a burrito. It was a taco. Yeah, so they put for every tacos that they serve al pastor, they put a slice of pineapple that, as you can see in the earlier part of the video, that the pineapple's on top, rotating around with the pastor meat, and as they're preparing it, they cut little slices and put it in. And actually pretty good. I mean, the saltiness from the pastor was perfect with the sweetness of the pineapple, and then you add some salsa, set that off.
That was good. Wow.
And it has a little bit of crispiness to the meat, right?
Yeah, I did. That's one thing I did enjoy.
That's pretty good.
So if you're down here, I would definitely try the pastor first, and then hit up an asada, taco, or burrito. Yeah. For sure.
All right, guys. Well, this was another episode brought to you guys by the Burrito Guys, obviously. And something different. Last episode, we had a sushi burrito. Check that out. It was actually pretty impressive. It took me by surprise. And Angel finally tried a sushi burrito, which he liked. Yeah. So, yeah, he liked.
That was good.
Couldn't stop talking about it for days. Anyways, all right, guys. Appreciate you guys viewing. Please subscribe, like, and share with everybody else.
Cool. Thanks for watching.
Right out.